Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you step-by-step process to factory reset your Apple Watch using your iPhone. Before we start, two quick things. Make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are close together. If you are resetting this to fix a bug but want to keep your data, don't worry. When you reset using your iPhone, it automatically creates a backup of your watch data to your phone before erasing it. Alright, grab your iPhone and follow these steps. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Make sure you are on the My Watch tab at the bottom left. Tap on the General. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Reset. Select the first option, Erase Apple Watch content and settings. After that, tap to confirm the action and then tap again. You will see a warning pop up asking you to confirm. Tap Erase all content and settings again. Quick note for cellular users, if you have a cellular Apple Watch, it might ask if you want to keep or remove your cellular plan. If you are keeping the watch and just fixing a bug, keep the plan. If you are selling or giving the watch away, remove the plan. Finally, you will likely to be asked to enter your Apple ID password. This is crucial. It turns off activation lock, so the next owner or you can set it up as new. Once you enter the password, the process begins. Your watch will show the loading circle and restart. This can take a few minutes. And that's it. Your Apple Watch is now factory reset and ready to pair again or be sold. If this video saved you a trip to the Apple Store, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel.